Hello, this is Abel Maybrook coming to you this week for exercise 1, um, biochemical testing for microbial identification via the methyl red procedure, the Voges Proscar, and the catalase testing. I have incubated my cultures for over 48 hours, and it appears that there is some turbidity in each culture from that was started. Here are my two samples. You can see there's some growth at the bottom of this specimen. Here is the S. epidermis and the E. coli. I'm going to start my test for this exercise. As you can see, I've done those cultures, and including the other testing, which we'll talk about later, for the exercise 2, part 2 of this experiment. Basically, this piece of the biochemical testing was performed this week in order to test for positive or negative bacteria. I'm going to begin for the section, the part 2 of the section of testing for the positive with the red dye, and I'm going to get to this section for the menthol red piece. What I'm going to do is pour in, I have my test tubes here, and I'm going to pour in the E. coli, half the turbidity into the growth, or into the tube. We're going to put some in there. Let's put some in there. And close this. For the epidermis, I'm going to do the same. I'm going to pour some culture in there. For the culture. Poured quite a few. Anyways, that is set. Actually, I could pour the rest of this E. coli. Okay. I have my methyl red here. Very difficult to see with the glares, but I do the best. Okay. So I have equal amounts in each test tube. Next, I'm going to use my scissors to open the end of my methyl red. So I have my tippet ready to go, my pipette. I'm going to drop 7 drops of the methyl red reagent into the E. coli and in one of the S. epidermis test tubes. 7 drops into each tube. Here, I'll start with the E. coli, which I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 drops in each culture. So if I immediately review this, I'm going to go ahead and point my camera to the 2 specimens. This one here, this closest one here, is the E. coli, and this one here on the far with the dye is the epididymitis. Get a better look. Here's that. And we'll look at the epididymis. I'm going to finish this lab, and I wanted to give you one peek of one of the tests, and I appreciate everybody's time. Stay tuned for next week. Thank you. Bye-bye.